Okay, guys, this is how to get your what's it called? Your PIN and your serial number. All right, so it's very simple and very easy. PIN and serial number, remember, is free. Is free. Is that okay? So and you can easily get it through this means. All right, so you can work on it this way and get your PIN and serial number. Okay, then this is how to get it done. All right. The first thing you do here is you come to this place, this interface here. Okay, if you are using a Google Chrome or you are using a Phonics browser, any browser at all that you're using, you just have to come to this place and get it done. All right, so you paste this, you copy and paste. Though I will make this available on my description box, okay, so that you can easily copy it and get it done. So this is it. So when you click this place, then you click send, right? So you click send. So when you send, you jump all this, okay, you come to this place and you get it done. See this place I'm talking about, this particular place now. Take your time, ensure that anything that you enter here is what you use during your WAEC registration. If it contradicts, you will not see anything. But if it's actually the same thing, you see something. Is that okay? They will give it to you. So this is it. You click here, which is your examination year. You click it, then you choose 2026. I'm sorry about it. The first one you see is 2026. Is that okay? You choose 2026. Then here says select examination diet. Examination diet actually means whether you're a GC candidate or you are a WAEC school candidate, but your own is WAEC school because you wear uniform to the exam. You choose WAEC school candidate, okay? Then they now ask you candidate number. Is that okay? So you enter your 10-digit candidate number. So it depends on you. Your candidate number, that's your examination number. 411. Some people, okay, randomly, I don't know. Okay, let's say this is not for anybody at all, but I'm just giving you how it works. Is that okay? Let's assume we have 4. WAEC always starts with 4. Let's say have 40000. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has to be 10, 9, and what? 10. For example, then you add your NIN here. Okay, let's say NIN is, let me choose any random number. Okay, this is NIN, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10 digits of your 11 digits of NIN, okay, 11 digits now. I choose it randomly. Then you click on search here. You click on search. Okay. Then when you click on search, it will take you to this interface where you enter your email address and your phone number. Okay, let's say I enter an email address here. Let me use a random email address. Okay, that doesn't exist. I have already saved email address, but let me use a different thing. Okay, I can say abc@gmail.com. abc@gmail.com. Okay, this is what I use now. Then I can add a phone number, anything at all, 070000000. Okay, this is actually a phone number. The immediately you are done, you click the send OTP. They will send OTP to your email. So ensure that the email you use is very correct. If your email is not correct, you will not get the OTP. Or if your email is correct, you get your OTP. This is very, very simple. Is that okay? You're not paying for it. Okay, so it's very simple to get. Then once it's done, you now take it and come to this place called WAEC checker, WAEC result checker. Okay, I will keep the URL for this, okay, so that you can see WAEC checker. The first one here is what I clicked. Then you can come here and you enter it here. Very simple. Is that okay? You enter it here, you choose the examination number, you do it, then you choose the examination year, then you change this one to from private to school, okay, and it's done. You enter your PIN and you submit. Then your result will come out. Okay, remember the URL I used for the other one. You can copy it from the video, or you use or you go to my description box. I will leave it in the description box. Okay, so that you can easily see it and copy it. All right. I wish you guys good luck. This WAEC this year, they have some little challenges. Some schools results were held because of my practices, and I've told you guys before. I said they will hold some people results because the way WAEC did it this time, even we that marked the WAEC exam, I will not lie to you, they told we the examiners to fish out any student or students that wrote the same thing. So if you have your siblings that is writing WAEC again, tell your siblings not to do what? Copy themselves. Is that okay? They not copy themselves. So the only thing you have to do is you change things. You know why students always copying the same thing, and that is the reason why they ceased and what held some result. Okay, but they are working on it on held results. Okay, the information is about the held results. They will soon release it according to WAEC. Okay, so that is it. I hope this finds you well and be able to solve most of your problems. Okay, so a quick recap. You remember what I told you to do. All right, you come to this place. Give you a quick recap. You come to this place. All right, then you click your this. Okay, look at it. serial-pin.waec.org. Is that okay? That's what you use. Then you send. All right. Okay. Then you come to this place, you enter your examination year. The diet means this one. Okay. Then candidate number, you put it your number. You start with 4 something. Check it, 10 digit. You enter here and you add it here. Then you now click what? Search. Is that okay? When you search it, let me say I enter something randomly. I enter on that thing randomly here. Okay. This is 2026 because the thing just started this year, so we don't have any other year again on this. Let's say I have this. Then finally I will now click what? Search. I will come to this place and enter the email. Okay, enter any random email and what? And enter phone number and click send OTP. They will send you OTP. That OTP they will send to you, is that okay? They will send to you to your email is what you now attach. The space for OTP will open. Okay, let me just show you what I mean. Let me choose a random email now. We have something like abc@gmail.com. Is that okay? At gmail.com. Okay, then I have a random phone number 07000. Okay, let me say 0000001 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now I said send OTP. They will send OTP immediately to this number if it actually exists. You see what they happen? They will give you a transaction ID. They send OTP to that email and it will expire under 25 minutes. Is that okay? Then the OTP is what I will now enter here. They will now verify the OTP. Immediately verify the OTP, they will now send you your PIN and the other thing that you need to your what? Email. Is that okay? So that is how it is done. All right. So I believe that this thing finds you well. Okay. So it helps you to do what? To get your WAEC results. Okay. Without much process. All right. So this is how to get it. If you like the video and want more, you can go to our videos. We have so many videos for you. Okay. In our YouTube channel, you can go to our YouTube channel. Okay. Just click to see other of our videos. All right. Then you see everything that we have done step by step. Is that okay? We'll guide everything that has to do with JAMB, post UME, anything you need. Okay, to know upload of result, why should you upload, how to print your admission letter, everything is just there. Is that okay? So if you like the video, click a subscription button, okay, to subscribe for more, and you can click the notification bell so that whenever our video drop, you'll be able to get it. All right. I wish you the best, and I wish you all the best. Remember, if you see outstanding in your result, that doesn't mean that you failed. Outstanding means that they are working on your that particular subject, and it will be out. Okay, outstanding means you did very well from English. Outstanding is only when you see held, that's where you have a challenge. But all the held results will be released very soon, so no panic. Okay, I wish you guys all the best. Thank you and God bless. Remember, Leviton, subscribe and click the notification bell. All right, share to your friends and share to groups. All right, thank you.